Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys and gals, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. Sorry about the siren robot. But this is Chris again, coming at you with another unboxing. This seems to be the week of unboxing, guys. Unboxings, excuse me. This came across my way by way of the Facebook forums. This is my buddy Ace Baldwin that I had. If you look back, I'll actually leave a link to that interview. I had done an interview with him about a week ago. All around great guy, guys. He's a pretty cool dude, pretty laid back, and great guy to deal with. If you ever want to buy a watch from him on the Facebook forums, totally recommend him. He keeps his stuff pretty mint, guys. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed wearing that Rolex, the 1500. I'm wearing it on this native strap. Some people like it, some people don't. I kind of dig it, so I'm going to keep wearing it on the native straps. I feel like it kind of dresses it down. Gets it like an everyday wear. But I came across this deal through Ace, and I knew I wasn't worried about buying from him. Like I said, he keeps his pieces mint, and I've always wanted the Citizen, the Nighthawk, or excuse me, not the Nighthawk, but the Blue Angels, guys. These are pretty cool watches. I couldn't pass on the price. So whether this would be a keeper or not, I don't know. I just wanted to kind of experience it for a little bit, and we'll see if it's a keeper or not. And I will do a full review of it soon. Of course, it comes with this ProMaster case, and I didn't want to do all the unboxing stuff with the postal stuff, because you guys have seen all that. But here is the watch in question, guys. Definitely killer watch. Definitely a busy dial. And I do believe these are, of course, these are Eco Drive, so these are powered by the light, so plenty of charge. And I will show you what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. And also, I don't know if tomorrow I'll get it out, because of course tomorrow is college football day. But my good friends at ECJ Lux are sending a Young Hands in for me to look at, a Max Bill, which I've always been interested in checking those out, guys. So look for a full unboxing and review on that pretty soon. Like I said, this has been like the week of unboxings. Again, it fits pretty good. He's got some links taken out, but I think it fits my wrist pretty decent. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Have you looked at these pieces before? I think they make pretty great everyday kind of wears. Anyways, guys, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Like I said, I do hit that notification bell. I do plenty of unboxings like these. Like I said, this has been the week of unboxings, and I just happened to come across this deal, so I figured I couldn't pass it up. And also, I do all kind of topic videos, all kind of live streams. I may end up doing a live stream tonight, not sure yet. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.